Guys, thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. Keep those questions and suggestions coming. I get to them as soon as I can. Now, as you might have noticed, I love using the Pro Control app. I do all the heavy lifting with the app, and then I do my fine tuning using the touch screen. I keep my ToneMaster Pro mounted on a stand because my back will not let me bend down and do that repetitive stuff over and over again if the unit's on the floor. You know, I'm hoping that someday Fender will make a MIDI controller specifically for the ToneMaster Pro. And now I know some would say, wait a second, that's redundant. But for me, it'd be perfect. I'd be able to keep the ToneMaster Pro up on the stand, I'd have a foot controller that I could use, and I'd have the Pro Control app on my computer. That's exactly what I'd love to have. But you guys that can still bend down and make those adjustments like that over and over, I'm envious. My hat's off to you. Now back to the Pro Control app. If you haven't tried it out yet, you should, if you can. Right now it's not available for mobile devices, so you would have to use it on either a PC or a Mac. I'm guessing that Fender will make the Pro Control app available for mobile devices at some point. However, if you do have a laptop or a desktop, you really should give this a try. Let's look at the 5 reasons I think you should give the Pro Control app a try. And guys, this is going to be short and sweet. Number 1. The Pro Control app is almost a one-for-one replacement for the touchscreen. So if you're used to using the ToneMaster Pro's touchscreen, you'll have no trouble at all using this app. I'd even venture to say that using a mouse can be faster than using your finger. Number 2. The only way to access the cloud is via the Pro Control app. There is no way to access it on the ToneMaster Pro. If you're not familiar with the cloud, it's a place that Fender has set up for us to download user presets and upload our presets for others to try. There are also artist-exclusive presets available to download for free. You really should check this out. Number 3. Currently, the only way to back up and restore all of your presets and system settings is via the Pro Control app. There's no way to do it on the ToneMaster Pro. I know that there have been requests for using the SD card slot for backups, but that option is currently not available. Number 4. In my opinion, anything that involves entering data is easier using a real keyboard and mouse. Of course, that's only my opinion, and you may be used to entering data using a touchscreen. Now, I've been using iPads for years, but my fingers like the tactile response of a real keyboard and mouse, and it's just easier typing on a real keyboard without fat fingering in the process. Number 5, something I touched on earlier in this video. Your back can only take so much repetitive bending down before the damage starts. Now, if you're young, in great shape, and do yoga or something equivalent, maybe you can do a lot of repetitive bending. But from my perspective, I'd suggest that if you do plan on using your ToneMaster Pro on the floor, it will benefit your back to use the Pro Control app. You know, even switch it up between the two, but give the app a try. You may not think your back will thank you now, but down the road, oh, it will. So that's my elevator pitch for the Pro Control app. If you don't want to use it, hey, that's your choice, but you know, you're missing out at least on the cloud and doing backups. However, I do understand that some of you just don't want to use a computer, you don't see the need for a cloud, and right now you really don't see the need for a backup. Okay, you know, if you ever decide to give it a try, it'll be there. And honestly, I think you'll be surprised. Now, I'll be having all new content this Friday. You don't want to miss that. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. All right, guys, have a great week, and I'll be talking with you again on Friday.